out on a canal boat. That is a lock. The water is starting to recede, or about to recede. That's exactly what's going to happen here. It's the water level here. Cafe right next door. It's a lock. I've only seen a lock on Top Gear before. I can't see it.
Sluices or whatever to let the water out.
Let's see what's actually going on there. Yeah, I can see that now. And then the muckiest of it is on the edge. We're sinking!
Technically, no, it's on the surface of the water.
I'm fine. I'm not that tall, I'm not Simeon.
So many.
In a boat, radioing for help, saying we're
Boy is here.
What are you thinking about?
Thinking on the maiden voyage for this boat.
And yet no water's coming in.
How do you know?
Well, because my feet aren't wet.
That's not the indication for it.
Hey, look at the big one actually.
Look at that. There's a little spot there where water's going through the rock. How's that happen?
There must be some water source somewhere.
A water source in those bricks. Cool. Oh, through the brick. One gate is working.
No, it's too close to it. If it opens.
Oh yeah, that makes more sense.
There we go. Now that we're moving back.
I think the person standing on the back of the boat is actually controlling us.
Okay. There's a little engine.
Wondering, how could we go back so simple? Move your head.
And the water's like a silk through a wall, and the water goes down. Silks out again.
We've gone quite a long way down since you last saw us. Gone, we've sank a bit.
We'll leave it where it is until the boat wants to come.
Once again, we are not sinking.
We're not sinking.
We're moving. I wonder what that 17 is for, or is it just the address?
It's the number of the bridge that we go under.
In Somerset.
Well, it just tells you on the map. 17.
On the river, more like.
On the canal. The point is, you know where you
Probably
are along the
Take
canal.
your while to get home, though. Might be a bit late into tomorrow morning.
We could sleep.
Don't have our car either.
Right.
Well, one of you could deliver our car to us. No, that'd be good.
What's the average speed? Taking into account all the locks.
So like 2.
Go up here to the
There's a
Birmingham
speed
Canal,
limit. There's only 2. There's quite a low speed
Oh,
limit.
look, they're doing another camera up there. Auntie Anne, they're doing another camera.
More cameras.
Smell
Look at it, Mother. There's nothing to be scared of. She's camera shy.
Facebook. They've got a Facebook.
Very camera shy.
You'll be automatically
on Johnson's Facebook page.
I just don't.
Aha, I got one, Mother. Okay.
Why do you like
Huh? Why do you not like it?
us and the drivers navigating.
There is nothing embarrassing about the way you look, Mother. Stop sounding like everyone else.
Everyone else.
Other
Mini
boats,
me.
people sitting on picnic baskets. Mini me. No, that's a pretty big U.
People live there.
Either they live there or they're staying there for a bit. I don't think they want to live there. They wouldn't be able to get shopping supplies.
Yeah.
Well, you go up to the canal.
It's a bit wild country here, mind. You don't know what pirates you're going to come across.
I know.
Pirates.
Not as big as the ones you got in here.
Especially as you get closer to Bridgewater.
Yeah.
What's your end up smelling today? Maybe I'll stand up. When you have a shower, take it off and have a shower. Mistletoe. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Hello, child.
Why don't you look at something more interesting than me?
Oh.
Yeah, the boat. It's got a cooker and taps and cakes and tea and coffee.
Of course it has.
Just in case you people weren't aware of what consisted on a canal boat.
That looks like a pillbox. That can't be a pillbox, surely. Oh, maybe
There's
it
a
is.
bench and something behind it. Looks like something the scorers would have gone in the Stone Age for cricket.
Yeah, except there's no actual handy cricket pitch here.
I know, but it looks like the sort of scorers pitch from a million years ago. That would be funny.
Press the button. So I assume that should be the one.
Some houses and some green stuff.
It wasn't such a nice boat.
Most everything.
And who says you haven't got a romantic soul? Some houses and some green stuff.
To be fair, the only thing that's not green apart from the house is the sky, which thankfully is blue. There they are. We've got to a turning point, by the way.
I think they know what to say.
A cow.
Oh, they've got comfortable.
Oh, there's sunbathing, aren't they? Obviously.
Sitting down. That means it's going to rain.
Or that they're tired.
The low ones, you might want to move your head, mother. Go in the other room. Oh, there's a black cow.
There's a cow.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that one. Oh, look at that one.
They're just enjoying the sun.
That's their job.
Well, their job is eating grass and getting fat.
Yeah.
Oh, that cow's
Didn't think anyone's job was to be fat.
Who's going to poo? Why are you in the water, cow?
Because he's having a bath.
Yeah. Oh, we got dark.
Got yellow ears or yellow tags on your ears.
Oh yeah.
Because they need it.
That's ownership.
They don't do it to hurt them, they do it so remember what cow they
So there's a nice bit of grass down there, and I'll be able to get and keep my feet cold.
are. Where are we going back now?
And towards your house.
Oh, hello.
Presumably.
But we haven't moved now.
Hi.
Where we were before.
We come in peace. We are no threat to
We
you.
haven't moved for now.
I wonder what their thought process is like.
That would be fun, isn't it?
Yeah, but
Ow. What's actually up there? At the end of the canal, it's a place called Broadway.
They're hugging the back one and the round one. They're hugging. Come on, they were hugging.
Oh, sort of. Oh, hello. You could get splashed here, so.
Don't think that's the thing I'm concerned about. We're always getting close.
Hello.
Move. I've got this. I'm not afraid to use it. I've got my hand. Hello. That's so cute.
Don't.
No, just let me hand off.
The cow's there to knock their boat back in.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what the cows do. That's why they're on this field. Knock us back.
He's just there watching.
Oh, he had a poo.
Don't film.
I'm not. I've looked away. I'm just looking at his face right now.
No, I had to touch poo.
Look at the other ones.
Black.
They all
The
are.
other one over there. Look at the black.
Where are the male population?
Georgie, there's a black one over there.
How far?
Right, yeah.
Oh no, I can see that.
No. Hello. Look at the car.
So they use the water to poo in. Nice.
All the more reason not to swim in the canal is all I say.
Yeah, but if I had to say definitely
Why
or
people
Leah,
don't?
No, Leah was stuck in the river, I would definitely jump in. Yeah.
Fair enough.
It's just poo, it won't hurt you.
It's not really my
All they
concern.
eat is literally grass, that's all they eat.
Hopefully that's not all they eat. Doesn't sound very nutritious.
Good cows, don't worry.
Okay.
Hello.
Is he pooing now? No, he's not.
Oh, you've got flies on your face. Can I come in and get you? Do you want to come in the boat and eat a cake?
Taking an interest in you, at least.
Moo already. Moo.
Probably thinks you're tasty.
Moo.
Cows are vegetarian, yeah.
Moo.
Yeah, we've scared them off with our new shiny boat. There's one right in the background there that we couldn't see.
Why is he getting his bum up? That's probably the closest I've ever been to a cow.
Grandma and Granddad. Granddad's there somewhere.
Full steam ahead.
Oh, I'll take these.
Beautiful cows.
No, full steam ahead.
Oh, buy cow, buy
Buy cow.
free cows, buy other cow.
Buy cow.
Buy all
buy
cows,
cow,
buy
cow,
all
buy
people.
Cow, buy cow.
It was,
Buy cow, buy
boy,
cow.
wasn't it us and the cow that took us all the way around, not the boat crew?
No, we're leaving now.
Yes. That's what
We're
Marnie
seeing them
said.
again. Look, we're going to see them again.
Open the paddle and water comes out the sides there. So it fills up and we'll probably go to about there. Near about some water level. We'll see you guys on the other side of the lock. Leaving the cafe behind and going the other way. I don't know how far we're going. Apparently to another lock, I think. We get to see what's on this side. If we go down the river enough, we'll be close to the house. That would be amazing if we could see that.
On the self-drive day hire motorboats. The main building you can see in the actual grounds there, that is a venue as well, which is available for private hire, functions, birthday parties, weddings, etc. There's also an exclusive package you can do where you rent the whole centre and all the boats and have exclusivity.
Somerset, that's
so please check out the website, Facebook, for the details. Thank you. And here we are, we're approaching Higher Maltsall Lock now. So you can see some of the water coming in through the top gates. That's all normal as well. It just means there's a bit of reed shut in the top gates.
For people to going to Somerset, this is a place to go. It's a good place. Lots of nice canals where you can live in or stay in.
Plenty of canals in Nottinghamshire as well.
Might even be a bathroom.
There's the Castle Marina, which is masses of boats in the canal.
What, in Nottingham?
Yeah.
Is Nottingham better then?
It's just everywhere has canals.
Everywhere has canals.
Every city? That makes
Not every
sense.
city, but there's an extensive canal everywhere.
And another lock.
So they used to transport things. It was slow, but
Yeah. It used to happen because there weren't roads. The canals have been around longer than roads, haven't they? Which means boats have been around longer than cars.
Granted, yes.
Yeah. So hopefully it's a never-ending way of... It's instead of just taking things along, it's more entertainment now, or
Yes.
things to do.
These days people want everything delivered quickly.
Yeah, instead of slowly. So this is why things don't get delivered much here. Unless people want to live on canals.
Canals are reliable, but they're just taking the time.
Just slow. To the point where we're turning around, there's someone kayaking off. I don't know what he's doing over there. It's a risky business, not falling off. But that was our last lock before. What's great is the little kids that have been pushing the lock open and shut. It's so adorable. And they wave us off. We've made it to the edge. We're not going to Creek St. Michael, because that would be funny. Not eventful in terms of things to look at, but it's still been a good time out on a boat. Nice to be there. And we're setting off home from here, so we'll be saying goodbye to everyone here as well. It's a dangerous craft, that. It needs to fall off. Even has a toilet here as well.